Hello and welcome. In this video we are going to check the validity of integer, float or string. First of all, I will make on class defined check I will check valid. I will set d and let's make, and I will get here any var, and here I will check try, and I can simply check it try var is equal to int and var. Here I will say invalid is equal to true, means we will taking it is invalid, means it is other than integer. Let's make here invalid is equal to false. Now I have to accept for where my accept value error. If it is value error, then I said it is invalid is equal to true. Let's assign this in the function. Here I will check valid, and I will simply pass here 10. If check underscore, sorry, I will make here, I will get something here like the value is equal to, if it is false, then we have to get here return invalid. If sorry for this not invalid, then we can print, sorry, if it is invalid, then we can print is not integer. Let's see, it will print nothing because it is valid here, else we will print here is print integer. Let's run it and save it, and is integer. Now I will pass here in the string form, and let's see, it is also giving me, because this will get integer value, and I will pass a here. Now it is a not integer. Now I will pass here float, here float, and this float. Let's make this as same as 10. It should give us right answer or not. We will get it. Yes, it is float because it can be changed into float easily. What if I say a, then it could not float here. Sorry for this, a is not defined. I have to pass this as this and save it. As this is not float, this is how you can check the validity, and you can proceed if the user enter a right answer. If user enter integer, then you can go forward, otherwise you could say it is not an integer, it is not a float, anything you can tell them. Thank you for watching this video. We will check something in coming video. Thank you, and let's do the answer.